Hey Tom and Amy, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Tom. In this super quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement so you can start beating above roofing. If you type in roofing Grand Rapids, they show up right here at the top. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be for you to beat them. And I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I'm just trying to help as many roofing contractors as possible because I know that they don't have the time to learn this stuff themselves. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people take this information and they just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, fantastic job on the design of this website. I love this image, this video back here. It's obviously all these houses are really nice cars, nice quality video. The website itself has got awesome color scheme, super modern looking, super clean. It's a very professional looking website, and you know this already, but I just wanted to tell you. Now, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, which is all the stuff that you can highlight and read. And the average website has about 1,500 words of content. So if I go and I search up your homepage, you can see you only have 660. If we go to above roofing, we can see they have 1,202. So I definitely would recommend getting yourself up to 1,500 words. Now, even on your roofing page itself, which I know this is your main page, it shows everything you do. But if I go to roofing, this page as well, you want to have this higher than theirs. See, you're at 747 while they're at 1,200. So just make sure that you have enough content on there and make sure you're beating your competitors. If they're at 1,200, you should be at 1,500. One other thing too is you want to have keywords inside of your content. And I see you kind of started doing that here. Like you said, roofing contractor, Grand Rapids, MI. That's definitely one keyword. I found some for you that you guys can actually look. These are based off of the highest search volume. How many people search it per month? So like roofing companies, Grand Rapids, 300 people search that per month. Roofing Grand Rapids, 200 people search that per month. Roofers, Grand Rapids, MI, 150 people search that per month. So if you were number one for these 3 keywords, you would be number one in front of 650 people. I looked at your keywords, what you're ranking for, and you are ranking on the first page for your name, which is awesome. For reviews on your name, at least. You're in the 7th position. But for like those keywords I was showing you, you know, you're at the very bottom of the 2nd page or the 3rd page, etc., etc. And as they say, the best place to hide a body is on the 2nd page of Google because no one goes there. So you definitely want to make sure that you have keywords like this inside of your content. If I search this roofing page, you can see you don't have it anywhere on this page. So it's one of the reasons why you're not ranking for it. One other quick tip though, you can also save your images as keywords. So like this logo, you could save it as roofing Grand Rapids or exterior remodeling Grand Rapids, you know, just since it's your logo. And then down here, this could be, whoops, save. This could be, oh, you got that one. Nice, nice. Roofing Grand Rapids B. Okay, I would change it, you know, roof replacement Grand Rapids, roof repair Grand Rapids. So either way, good job. Just add some more content, fit some keywords in there. But you guys, whoever did this for you is definitely paying attention. They just got a little bit more they can do. But great job. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for you. Keep in mind though, like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. They want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker and you'll find this data for free. It says you have a lot of websites linking to you, like 1.9 thousand. It looks like they were all added at the same time. So one thing I'll say about that, people do say that looks spammy because that never happens organically. That doesn't really matter though. I've seen people rank doing that. The problem I'm seeing though is that you're not ranking that high for the right keywords. And so that comes back to, again, the trustworthiness and the relevance of the links that you're putting, whoever's doing these links for you. So if I were in your shoes, I would go to aboveroofing.com and I would just copy these links, because if these 541 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, they're going to be trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you too. And so I would go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's super easy, like Expertise, Yellow Pages, Homestead. Like you just go on these websites and you hit get listed or create a free account. You put a link in your profile back to your homepage, and that's simple. You've got a backlink from these websites. So it's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them with content and you copy their backlinks, that'll be enough to get you outranking them organically. And my last tip is to show up in the map section. If you want to get here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like, Yelp or Yext or Yellow Pages or Angie and stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I would just figure out what directories Allied Roofing and Siding was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. So if Allied Roofing and Siding was in like 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Tom and Amy. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage and any pages you're trying to rank. Just make sure you're beating your competitors. They were at 1,200, I believe it was. 1,202. And then after that, take the links linking to Above Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Allied Roofing. And by following these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. Your competitors are already doing this stuff, so the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Tom. I hope this video was helpful for you, Amy. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much. See ya.